Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have some Milky and Lactonic fragrances that I do enjoy for the summer, and so just wanted to give you some quick picks on some recommendations that if you're into kind of a Lactonic note or a main accord of a Lactonic fragrance, then these are the fragrance that might be for you. First up, I have Navitus in partnership with Sharita M. Here on YouTube, we have Peach Arum, okay? This Lactonic fruity fragrance, it also has a little spice, a little cinnamon in this. So good, okay? Love it down. So my gourmand lovers, people that love spicy notes as well, this might be for you. It also has a condensed milk note in here that gives this Lactonic feel. This kind of pastry feel is in this. It is so good. I would highly recommend, again, if you're into fruity fragrances, you like a little spice and everything nice, this might be the fragrance for you. I would say you can wear this fragrance just about anywhere. I would say a date night, maybe more of a casual date night. However, this is a goer, and I have enjoyed this for the summer. It doesn't hit too hard on the foodie gourmand, but you do get a hit of it. But that spice to me breaks it up. The Lactonic note I do enjoy. This is a great fragrance recommendation to walk you through the summer. And again, that is from Navitus Peach Arum. Next up, I have talked about this fragrance down. You all are sick of me, and that's fine, but I just have to get it out the way because it does have a great Lactonic, to me, creaminess about this scent. It is yellow floral in this, if that gives you a hint. Yes, and it is Bora Bora from Giardina di Toscana. This is so good. I would highly recommend if you're into floral plus a Lactonic note, a powdery, if you're looking for something fresh. This is a great fragrance to wear for the summer. I wore this down. It has been one of my favorites. I want to re-up on it, on the re-up, but I do have to give some other fragrances some love. But this is such a great summer fragrance that can go with you throughout the summer, okay? For an easy reach, if you want to, if you're not put together, right? But you want to smell put together, this is one to pick up. It is amazing. I love this down, but it had to go on this list for a great Lactonic fragrance, and that is again Bora Bora from Giardina di Toscana. Next on this Lactonic train is Queen Bee herself. I will have to say this is the queen of a beautiful Lactonic note, and that is Blanche Bette. Yes, from the Liquids Imaginaire. This is Chef's Kiss. I feel like this is the grande dame of the Lactonic fragrances, and you can absolutely wear this in the summer season. It's so good and pretty and just gives you this luxury Lactonic note, okay? It doesn't go sour on my skin, which I love and enjoy. It is so luxury, so uplifting, and again, Chef's Kiss. If you love a good Lactonic note and you want a standout with some floral notes, a little bit of vanilla, well, a lot of bit of vanilla, some musk, a lot of bit of musk. This is so good. Highly recommend. You do have tuberose in this, but the white florals just come together. The collective of notes that's in this fragrance blend so well, and this is a masterpiece. I call her Queen Bee of the Lactonic fragrances because in my book, she is definitely deserving of the crown. Another fragrance that gives you spice and everything nice. It has pink pepper. We have whipped cream. It's been on my channel a lot, and I do enjoy this fragrance so much. She is, again, not a stranger, not new. I can't believe that I have not talked about her in maybe a few weeks. It's been about a month. From Boutique and Voltaire, this fragrance is so good, so creamy, so Lactonic. One of my favorites. As you all know, I enjoy this. I had to, like, at 1 month, it was just me and her. Me and this is her. That's all I was wearing. It was so good. Still good. Highly would recommend you get your hands on this, and it's probably affordable at this point because this is an oldie but goodie. But this is Chef's Kiss. I love it. It also has a nutty flair in it that I enjoy. So you have a Lactonic nutty flair with this fragrance. Yeah, it's so good. Highly would recommend. And this is her from Boutique and Voltaire. And last but certainly not least, you might have a different opinion, but I do get this creaminess in this fragrance. It might not say it in the notes, but I feel like it's in there somewhere, okay? And we have from Milky Lactonic, Ylang in Gold. All right, this is such a beauty. I have the old packaging, but it's still, I love this down. I love the flakes and the flare, like the little specks that comes in this. This is so creamy and good and gives me a very powdery Lactonic flair. And I feel like this is such a feminine, pretty woman fragrance, okay? This is very soft, okay? So this is like soft girl life. If you like a good caramel, this is another caramel fragrance. If you love rose, ylang, of course, musk is also in this. This is one to consider. She is such a classic. I would highly recommend this beauty. Like, it's captivating. It is so pretty, and I love this. Okay, so for me, I have to be put together to wear this, but if I were put together in a casual setting, I could wear her too. So she is a goer. I would highly recommend you get your hands on this beautiful Ylang in Gold from Milky Lactonic. Well, that's all, family, for my Milky and Lactonic fragrances for the summer. What are some of your lovely Lactonic fragrances that are in your collection? I would love to know some of your favorites down below. So make sure you put it in the comments, okay? Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up so more family members can join this community, and we can talk about fragrances and all the other things that we want to discuss, okay? Well, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.